The Singer 8280 comes with a mystery bag of tools. Today I am going to show you exactly what each one is for and how they make your sewing easy. First is the all-purpose foot. You'll use this for 90% of your sewing. Next is the zipper foot. This allows you to sew very close to the zipper teeth. I am actually recording a dedicated video on how to sew zippers very soon, so stay tuned for that. This is the buttonhole foot. It helps you create perfect sized openings for buttons. I already have a shorts video on how to use this, so check the link in the description. This little one is the button sewing foot, and you might be wondering what this black plastic piece is. This is the darning plate, which must be placed over the feed dogs to stop the fabric from moving. We'll make a video on this and stay tuned. Next is the seam guide. This helps you sew perfectly straight lines at a specific distance from the edge. It's a lifesaver for quilting. Next is the screwdriver, which is essential. You need this to open the needle plate for cleaning and also to change your needles. And next you get a few needles and then extra bobbins. Remember, always use the correct plastic bobbins for the Singer 8280. Next, a 2-in-1 tool. One side is a seam ripper to fix mistakes and the other is a lint brush. Like I mentioned in my cleaning video, use this to keep your bobbin area dust free. And lastly, spool caps to secure your thread. Alright, now you know what's in your kit. Comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe.